Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I'm going to be unboxing my Beautylish Lucky Bag. This is the Beautylish 2024 Lucky Bag. If you're unfamiliar with the Beautylish Lucky Bags, it's a mystery bag that you can get on December 26th every year. They only launch it for one day, and you're only allowed one per person. I did get the $75 box, and it is supposed to have a value of at least $150. And I've had some hits and some misses with my Beautylish Lucky Bags. Obviously, it's a mystery bag, so purchase at your, own risk, so to speak. But it stems from the Japanese tradition of fukubukuro. Hopefully I'm saying that right. So here's how it is packaged, beautifully packaged. And every year they do have an artist create the paper and do the artwork for the paper. I do hold on to my paper and I use it as gift wrap. The dragons on this year's Lucky Bag symbolize good luck and fortune along with power and change. We hope these surprises offer you moments of self-love that help you tap into your power in 2024. And again, this was $75. It will also tell you on the top, packaged with love in San Francisco, and it was packed by April. So you also know who packages it. It is packaged very well with a lot of paper and a ton of bubble wrap. And there are some bags that are even more lucky that will have additional products in them. I've never gotten that lucky, but I'm hoping for some good things. Beautylish is all about the more like high-end prestige brands. So I'm really excited. Let me put it right in my mouth. So everything is packaged in a little bubble wrap mailer here. Right on top, the first thing I'm seeing is the Holy Frog Situational Skincare. This is the Moonbeam Retinol Treatment Serum. That sounds really nice. And this can be a combination too, brushes, hair, skin, etc. Next up is the Mob. I guess that's the brand. I've never heard of this. This is the Mob Repurposed Capsule Lip Capsule. Okay. I'm assuming there's probably something else to go with this. That's what I'm gonna say. Okay, yeah, it's completely empty. So I'm gonna assume there's a lipstick in here for us. Okay, yes, and everything is in like sustainable, like recyclable type packaging, which is really neat. This is the Mob lipstick in the shade M7. They are cruelty-free. Alright, that is a neat concept. I'm not going to open this because I don't want to be here for 5 years, but super exciting. Next up, we always get something from Good Molecules, which is kind of their in-house brand. This is the Good Molecules Gentle Retinol Cream. Now, did I need a retinol treatment and a retinol cream? Probably not, but they're still nice to have, especially if you do have more mature skin like myself. Retinol is a great anti-aging ingredient. Next up is the Charlotte Darling, the mini eye palette with 2 easy-to-wear looks. Okay, I'm excited about that. And it is a soft neutral palette. So off to a great start, you guys. I feel like I still would like to see a little bit more makeup, but there's a couple things left in here. But I really like the fact that we got this. We do have a lipstick, not sure what the shade is yet, but if that's indicative of the color, not necessarily my color, but a good blend thus far. Next up is a Wayne Goss, the Essential Eye Kohl Pencil, and it says 01D1 Crystal Merlot. Oh, that's cool if it's not gonna just be a straight black. I feel like in all mystery bags and like advent calendars, everything is always black. And I have tried his lipsticks before and his lip glosses before. And it is a true kind of wine Merlot shade. Alright, that's exciting, that's exciting. We have something in a little package that I think is brushes. Hopefully it is some Sonia G brushes. If so, this is definitely going to be worth it for me. Obviously, I cannot afford these by themselves. They're packaged beautifully. Those do not look like Sonia G, but they're still really pretty. They are some bright orange Unit 310, Unit 308, the Unit 309, and the Unit 307. So it is the Unit brush set. I have not heard of this brand. I'm not super familiar with the brand, but they do look incredibly pretty, and I do like that bold orange. I am going to open one up and just kind of see how it feels. Oh my gracious, that feels so incredibly soft. They feel nice. They feel really nice. I like the length of the handles and stuff. They have a little bit of weight to them. Okay, I'm not mad at it, y'all. And then last but not least is a Natasha Denona palette. This is the Natasha Denona Love Face palette. And this is one that I actually almost purchased. Oh, it's so pretty. Trying to not blind you guys. Of course, I love the color. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. I'm excited. So it has eyeshadows and then like a blush topper type thing and then a highlighter. I could definitely get down with that. That is super pretty. So our quick breakdown, we have our eyeshadow palette and we have the eyeshadow brushes. I think that's a great touch. I like the variety there. We had an eyeliner and our lipstick. We had our mini Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette. Of course, we had the refill for the lipstick. Then we had a couple skincare products, our Good Molecules Gentle Retinol Cream and the Holly Frog Moonbeam Retinol Treatment Serum. I absolutely this year am excited, and I definitely will use a lot of this stuff, and I for sure feel like I got my $75 worth. And not to say that in the past that the value wasn't there. It was for me about things that I would use versus, you know, the parts of the package that I would not use. This alone, I want to say was $65 or $69. So that's almost what I paid for it. I'm excited. Now I'm gonna go binge watch some more. If you also got a Beautylish bag, let me know. I'll come watch your video. Thank y'all so much for joining me. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.